Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, I will share with you how to make resume in Google Docs for free. Watch the video till the end. At the end, I will show you how to download resume into your device. Let's get started. First step is sign in into your account. From Google Apps option, scroll down. Click on Docs option. This is Google Docs. You can use Google Docs on your mobile phone as well as on laptops and desktop computers. In mobile phones, you need to download it from Play Store. Download Google Docs from Play Store and you can easily use Google Docs on mobile as well. On laptops, it is available in Google Apps option. When you click on Google Docs, next you will find this page. Here blank document is available, different resume option, brochure, project proposal. Click on template gallery. As you can see, different samples for resumes are available. Scroll down. As you can see here, 5 different templates are available. This is the first one. Formatting is different. This is second, third, fourth and fifth. Choose the one you want. For example, let's take this one. In this video, I will edit this and show you. When you choose, double click to open. Next step you have to do is editing. Format is available and all the content in this resume is your name, skills, experience, education, awards. You can remove any of the point and you can even add your points. Now let's begin with editing. Type your name here. You can type your name here, then your address over here. Double click to edit. Type your name. Similar way, double click on the address to edit address. Scroll down below. Next is skills. Double click and edit skills. Enter your skills. Add your skills. Next option is experience. Into experience, write company name, location, and add your experience here. You can add your experience month here. You can add more content, that is job responsibility points over here. Double click to add. You can add more points, add number of months. Next, you can add more experience. You can add points. Next, you can also remove unwanted part. Select and click on delete. Scroll down. Next is education. Write school name, location and type degree here. Type month, about your education. If you want, you can add more part. Press enter. Type degree name. Into this university, location. Select this degree name and click on bold option to highlight. You can add more degree name. You can also add year, certification, if any. Put all your education points, school, degree, certification into this. Next is awards. Type your awards received. Type organization. In this way, press enter and you can add more. When resume is complete, next step is you can print this resume. Towards the left side, here is print option. You can directly print your resume. Towards the right side is share option. If you want, you can share with companies and people you want. Click on copy link option. Link is copied and you can share it in your groups. You can add email address of the people from here and share your resume. And the third option is to download. Click on file option. Down is download option. You can download your resume into Word format, PDF format, text format and others. Let's download this into Word format. Click on Word. Towards the left bottom, it is downloaded into seconds. Click on the arrow, click show in folder, click resume. Click enable editing. And here is the resume ready. If you want to add more, you can add from here also. Copy this resume and save at the location you want. Click on file option, click download. You can also download it as PDF. Click on PDF document. It will be downloaded into PDF into minutes. This is all about how you can create resume in Google Docs for free. Download is also free in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed building resume in Google Docs. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.